Hello, welcome to another NGRS Airsoft video. Today we're just going to be showing you this SCAR L NGRS TM, which has had the Laylax stock conversion put onto the back here, and we've just done a small new length of wire on there. It's also had a small Laylax flat nub installed, just for a little bit more lift on heavier ammos. However, it is worth noting, because obviously that was all we were requested of doing to the customer, that once we actually set the hop up and we were shooting at 65 meters, the FPS was down to 313 on 0.2s and 230 on 3.2s. So although this gun will obviously range out to that distance, you may want to look into you know, sort of getting a rebuild done on the gearbox and a power spring at some point in the future, just to give you that extra speed to target. However, it might not be important to you at all, if you know what I mean. So with regards to speed to target, it's not to everyone. So yeah, it's just something we have to point out, because I've taken all my measurements just the same as we do any other build. So but yeah, that's the stock, just to sort of demonstrate it for you. So, and it's just all working. Like I say, we didn't sort of did any work on the inside of the gun or anything like that, so it was just obviously hop unit out and new nub in, and then we just tested to make sure it was obviously shooting straight, and then obviously just feeding back you some results. But the main thing is to show you sort of the stock conversion that she's all done. As I understand it, you're going to be getting rid of this stock here and going CTR, so that should obviously put the battery inside the stock there. So, but yeah, cool. Right, as long as that's demonstrated, we're going to end the video there. Thank you very much.